Assalamualaikum students, in this video we will discuss an assessment question. 15 marks question for your practice as revision exam question is prepared using reducing balance method. Concept of before adjustment balance of accumulated depreciation is discussed in this. Must watch lecture 1 to 8 before you proceed with lecture number 9. This is the question. Following are the balances of Messrs. Wasim and Company for the period of December 31, 2019 before making adjustment of 2019. It means that in this balance of allowance for depreciation, 2019's depreciation expense is not included. The cost of machine is given and allowance for depreciation till this date is given. Requirement is to calculate depreciation expense for the year 2019 and 2020 with the rate 30% using reducing balance method. Adjusting and closing entries for 2019 is also required. Machine allowance for depreciation and depreciation expense account is also to be prepared till December 31, 2020. Balance sheet partial is to be prepared for 1 year, that is year 2020. Have a look on the calculation for these 2 years. Diminishing, reducing or declining balance method with the formula cost minus accumulated depreciation multiplied by rate. Cost of machine is given, its accumulated depreciation already given in the question on this date is here. We are applying this formula to calculate the depreciation expense for 2019. Cost minus accumulated multiplied by rate will give you depreciation expense for this year. This is the balance which we have to use in accumulated depreciation while calculating depreciation for 2019. Accumulating these 2 years balances will give you the accumulated depreciation up till this date. The book value can be calculated by subtracting accumulated depreciation from the cost of asset. Book value is to be represented in the balance sheet mostly. For the year 2020, we will use the same formula, but now our accumulated will be these two amounts together. These two amounts together, or you can say we will be using this amount as accumulated. Multiplying it with 30% will give you the depreciation expense for this year. Accumulated can be found out by adding these two amounts, accumulated till previous year and this year's depreciation will give you accumulated for 2020. The book value for this year can be calculated by subtracting accumulated from the cost of the machine. The book value is to be verified with the balance sheet when we'll prepare partial balance sheet for 2020. Now let's move to the next requirement of journal entry for 2019. Depreciation expense for this year as calculated by us is 262,500. So journal entry will be expense debit, allowance for depreciation credit, and in closing entry we will be debiting income summary and crediting depreciation expense. So that's about 2019's journal entries, adjusting and closing. Let's move to the next requirement of ledger accounts. The machine ledger account will show its cost. The same will be the carried down balance. We'll rule off the account and we'll write the same balance as the brought down balance. Depreciation expense account will show you the debit amount here. The same amount will be shown as the closing amount. The account will be ruled off for this year. And then the 2020 depreciation expense debit and the same amount to be closed. The amounts are never added in depreciation expense, remember them. Ledger account is to be ruled off for this year. Assume any number as the account number. Accumulated depreciation account, we already have the opening balance of 25,000. The account is credited for 2019 with this amount. The same amounts will be added to give you the carried down balance. The carried down balance on the next year's 1st January will become your brought down balance. Again the account is credited with this amount for the year 2020. When we'll add both the amounts, we'll get the carried down balance. Rule of the accounts and the same carried down balance will be taken as the brought down balance on January 1, 2021. That is how accumulated depreciation ledger will be prepared. Move to the last requirement. On 2020 December 31, you have to show the balance sheet partial. Partial means only the cost part and only the allowance for depreciation up till this date is to be shown. When we'll subtract these two, we will get our book value on this date. The same could be verified when we'll see our calculation table. This is the book value, this is the accumulated, this is the cost. We are preparing partial balance sheet on 2020 December 31, and these three informations are represented in our partial balance sheet. Cost is given, allowance for depreciation on this date is given. By subtracting them, we will be calculating our book value. Like the video, share it, subscribe it for more informative videos.